Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video interview into Huck's World. I told you we got another freebie for you all to check out that is worthy of a download. You got to check this one out. Now, this one's going to end on the 15th, so make sure you get your download on ASAP. But this can also end at any given time. But again, trust and believe, we're going to have more free watch faces coming up after this one. All right, with that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, the name of the watch face is called Fit V3 Pro. I like the look of this design. It definitely stands out. It's a fun, casual watch face that's geared to a fitness. I like the way it looks in the AOD mode as well. You're going to get your step info. You're also going to get your goal completed. Got a nice looking gauge right here at the top. You're going to be able to go into your water intake if you want to, which I thought was cool. So the watch face isn't active. As you can see, you got an active heartbeat going on right there, date information down at the bottom. You're also going to get your shortcuts that's going along the side of the watch over to your left, which I thought was definitely a good look. And it is interactive. So if you need to go into your settings, your music, on your run, you can. You can also go into your weather, which I thought was pretty nice. Your step info is right there. So this is definitely a really good look. But I like the fact that the watch face is animated, right? Now, I couldn't find a way to change to customize the color theme of the watch face so far as the color is concerned, but I still thought it was a good look. It's going to be good on battery. I think it's worthy of a download, but this is an analog watch face and it looks absolutely awesome. Again, this is that type of watch face you could wear over the weekend. And if you want to wear it during the work week, it's going to be a great wear as well. All right, that's going to be it for the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, don't forget, hit the like button on the way out, smash that notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life, you all. Have some fun. Remember to be safe.